Hey friends, I have to share this with you. Look at that. This is dragon fruit. Oh, isn't she adorable? I'm babysitting her at the moment for Mum. This is one of Mum's puppies. Her name is McKady. She's a fan. She's a fan of dragon fruit. Oh, yes, she is. Ah. We got dragon fruit from the market today. For the middle of winter, that's pretty good. You gonna eat that, Mr. Wiley? Little fussy Bob? McKady, you want some more, darling? Oh, yeah. So I wanted to show you guys how cute this looks. Oh, she might have had enough now. No, she's over it. Okay, I'll see you guys later.